Namaste friends. Today we'll talk about sneezing. Do you sneeze again and again, especially in the morning or when exposed to dust or cold air? Sneezing is the body's natural defense, trying to clear out irritants from the nose. But when it becomes frequent, it could mean allergy, sinusitis or nasal sensitivity. Homeopathic medicines and consultation is necessary in this case. Top homeopathic medicines for sneezing like LACHESIS, sneezing with watery eyes and runny nose and burning sensation. Second one is arsenic album for sneezing from dust or cold air with burning discharge. It should be taken in 30 potency. Sabedilla for violent sneezing due to pollen or flowers. Nux vomica is a polycrest remedy for morning sneezing and nasal blockage. Dalkamara for sneezing after exposure to damp or cold weather. So friends, this is all about the sneezing. If you are suffering with such problems, please consult any homeopathic doctor nearby your house. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.